Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between consumption goods and capital goods. Consumption goods, also known as consumer goods, are items purchased by individuals or households for direct satisfaction of wants and needs, rather than for use in further production. These goods are typically the final products that consumers use, and they are not used to create other goods or services. On the other hand, capital goods refer to physical assets or resources that are used in the production of goods and services. These assets are not directly consumed, but rather used to facilitate the production process or enhance productivity over an extended period of time. So, let's look into the basic differences between consumption goods and capital goods in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Consumption goods are used directly by consumers and have no productive future use, whereas capital goods are used for producing other goods and have future economic utility. Number 2. The purpose of consumption goods is to fulfill personal needs, whereas capital goods are used to manufacture other goods. Number 3. Consumption goods are marketed to consumers, whereas capital goods are intended for producers and manufacturers. Number 4. The demand for consumption goods is generally higher because they are used in daily life, whereas demand for capital goods is lower and depends on business activities. Number 5. Consumption goods are usually cheaper, whereas capital goods tend to be more expensive due to their industrial nature. Number 6. Consumption goods are used for the short term, whereas capital goods are used over a longer period in production cycles. Number 7. Consumption goods primarily affect consumer satisfaction and lifestyle, whereas capital goods impact the productive capacity of the economy. Number 8. An example of a consumption good is a smartphone, whereas an example of a capital good is a robotic arm in a factory. Number 9. Consumption goods are directly consumed, whereas capital goods are used indirectly by helping to produce other consumables. And difference number 10. Most consumption goods are less durable or perishable. On the other hand, capital goods are usually durable and long-lasting. So, these are the differences between consumption goods and capital goods. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.